Most innovation work focuses on pragmatic product concepts to solve near-term problems. However, some teams are tasked with crafting new visionary product concepts for the future. So what practices do teams use to effectively develop visionary product concepts? By studying 10 teams developing visionary product concepts and examining how each team's ideas were linked to each other as they were generated, researchers found 3 distinct practices that help teams proceed from initial ideas to final concepts: avoiding fixation, linking novelty, and bridging distances through selective integration. Avoiding fixation is a process whereby teams move away from their initial ideas and push towards new ideas. First ideas are often found to be less creative than those generated later in the ideation sessions. As teams link novelty, they create ideas that connect high numbers of unknown ideas or ideas that have the furthest psychological distance from our known experience. Linking novelty forces team members to engage in abstract thought, spurring visionary concepts. Lastly, successful teams also bridge distances between ideas. This last process addresses feasibility concerns by selectively integrating ideas in the final concept that were more connected to each other, making even visionary concepts more practical. Avoiding fixation and linking novelty help teams to develop exciting and abstract ideas, while bridging distance helps refine the ideas along pragmatic lines. The most impactful visionary product concepts, after all, must be novel, but still feasible. Wonder how visionary product concepts go from start to finish? If so, you may want to read this paper.